Hello everyone, let's try to understand this question. A hollow cylindrical tube open at both the ends is made of 2 centimeter thick iron sheet. If the external diameter of the tube is 50 centimeter and its length is 105 centimeter, find the volume of the iron in the tube. So let's see how we can solve it. First of all, what is a hollow cylindrical tube? A hollow cylindrical tube is something which looks like this. It is like the water pipe you use to water your lawns, your gardens. It is empty from inside. So this whole part is empty. It is hollow. That means it is not like a solid rod. It is hollow. And it's, if you look at it from the top, it will look like this. This is the part from where the water comes out. And this part is hollow. This white portion is empty. So let's see now how what else is given, which is open at both the ends and it is made up of 2 centimeter thick iron sheet. Now let's see where the iron is. The iron is this red part. It is the material of which the pipe is made up of. This part. And how much thick it is? What is the thickness of this part? It is 2 centimeter in thickness. And this is of iron. If the external diameter of the tube is 50 centimeter. Now what do they mean by the external diameter? So let's try to understand. If this is the center, this orange line is the external diameter. So it is 50 centimeters. Now next, what is given? If and its length is 105 centimeters. So length we can only find out in the side view, not in the top view. So what is its length? Its length is 105 centimeters. So now let's try to look at this cylinder or this cylindrical tube vertically. If I make a vertical diagram, so it's going to look like this. So now this length now will become its height, and that will be equal to 105 centimeters. Now just imagine for a minute, it is not hollow. It is a solid cylinder. It is like a rod, an iron rod. So now I'm going to show you its diameter. Suppose this is the center, so its diameter is going to be this much, and it is equal to 50 centimeters. The diameter is equal to 50 centimeters. And now I want to make a hollow pipe, hollow tube out of it. So I need to get rid of another cylinder from inside of it. So let's see, if I say this much is the smaller cylinder which I am going to push out. This is the smaller cylinder which I am going to push out in order to get a hollow tube. So this much I am going to push out so that I get a pipe. So now let's try to understand that we can find out the volume of the white portion by taking out the volume of the whole solid rod, that is the white cylinder, and removing the red part. So first let's find out the volume of, first let us find out the volume of the white cylinder. it will be equal to pi r square h. So pi into 50 by 2, 50 is the diameter, so radius will be 50 by 2 into 105. So this I am going to keep it like this only. Now let's look at the volume of the red cylinder. That the formula is same. I am taking small r this time and h will be same. See, the same height is being taken out. But we need the value of r. So let's see, this is, if this is d, this is the inner, this is the diameter of the red cylinder, and we already know that this much is the thickness. This is the thickness of the cylinder and it is equal to 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeter this side, 2 centimeter this side. So can I say that the radius of this red cylinder is 50 minus 2 from one side and minus 2. Sorry, this is the diameter. So it's just 46 centimeters. Can I say that? So now I'm going to put the value over in the formula. Pi into 46 by 2 into h. So this is going to be equal to pi into 23 whole square into 105. So let's now find out the volume of this part, which we'll get by subtracting the white volume of the white cylinder and subtracting the volume of the red cylinder from the volume of the white cylinder. So volume of green part, that is the volume of the cylindrical tube will be equal to, now I am going to keep it over here, pi into 25 whole square into 105. So pi into 25 whole square into 105 minus pi into 23 whole square into 105. So let's make our calculations simpler. We are going to take out the common things, which is pi and 105. So inside we are going to be left with 25 square and 23 square. So here we can apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So here a is 25 and b is 23. So let's solve it now. Pi into 105 into a minus b, that is 25 minus 23 into a plus b. So this is going to be equal to pi into 105 into 2 into 48. So let's put the value of pi over here. 22 over 7 into 105 into 2 into 48. So this is equal to 15. So the answer will be 31,680 centimeter cube. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.